I used to think AI would save me time. That was the promise. Use AI. Work faster. Do more in less time. And at first, I believed it. I watched videos. I tested tools. I tried different prompts. It felt productive. But after a few weeks, I noticed something strange. I wasn't actually faster. In fact, some tasks were taking longer than before. I'd open ChatGPT, explain what I need, rewrite the prompt, change the wording, fix the output. And after 10 or 15 minutes, I'd realize something uncomfortable. I could have done this myself in 5. That's when it clicked. AI doesn't automatically save time. It only saves time if you change how you work. The problem wasn't AI. The problem was my approach. I was treating AI like a conversation. I kept talking to it, explaining things, correcting mistakes, clarifying context. But conversations are slow. They feel natural, but they don't scale. And AI doesn't scale conversations well. Systems do. So I stopped asking myself, how do I ask this better? And I started asking a different question. How do I stop repeating myself? That question changed everything. I realized that most of my work was repetitive. Writing similar emails, planning similar tasks, making similar decisions. The topics changed, but the structure stayed the same. So instead of writing a new prompt every time, I created simple templates. Nothing complicated. Just 3 things. Context, goal, constraints. That's it. Now when I open AI, I don't think. I don't experiment. I paste the template, fill in a few lines, and move on. What used to take 10 minutes now takes 30 seconds. Not because AI got smarter, but because my process did. By the way, quick side note. If you're trying to use AI for real work, not just for fun or experiments, I share the exact templates and simple systems I use in my Telegram channel. No hype. No complicated setups. Just practical stuff you can copy and use immediately. If that sounds useful, check the link in the description. Alright, back to the video. AI doesn't replace thinking. It replaces repetition. But only if you give it something repeatable. If every task is different, AI feels slow. It feels annoying. It feels like extra work. But if every task follows a structure, AI feels instant. That's when AI actually saves time. Another mistake I was making was trying to use AI everywhere. For everything. Every small task. Every decision. That doesn't work either. AI works best when you use it for patterns, not for one-off problems. Once I stopped forcing AI into every part of my work, things became clearer. I knew exactly when to use it and when not to. And that clarity saved more time than any new tool ever did. Here's the simple rule I follow now. If a task repeats, I systemize it. If it doesn't, I do it myself. That one rule removed a lot of friction. And friction is the real enemy. Not lack of motivation. Not lack of tools. Friction. When work feels heavy, it's usually because you're redeciding the same things over and over again. Systems remove that weight. That's why AI feels powerful in the hands of some people and useless in the hands of others. They're using the same tool, but not the same process. AI didn't save me time. Structure did. AI just made structure faster. If you want the templates I use and simple AI systems that actually reduce work, check the link in the description and join my Telegram channel. I share practical things there that don't always make it to YouTube.